Does your bathroom get gross and you don't know how to clean it? Feel overwhelmed by it? I'm going to show you how with Norwex you can clean without any toxic chemicals. Fill up your basin of your shower with warm water. Put in a scoop of our bright and white, it's safe for stone. And I'm going to take this grout brush which attaches to my mop system. It easily reaches all around the shower. I'm even going to be able to go in and do the grout, the walls of the tile, and the basin. Okay, easily scrub through. That bright and white has done its job. Those powerful enzymes have been cleaning it up. Now I'm going to get rid of the mold, the mildew, all the grossness that has built up on my shower walls with our new mold and mildew spray. You can see where it activates. I'm going to grab that grout brush and simply scrub. Right now it's attached to my mop pole, and now I have switched to the handle, which makes it super easy and convenient to get into all those crannies. Now I've grabbed my probiotic cleaner to do the shower door. We have lots of hard water buildup in Texas, so I just simply spray and smear. Now I've grabbed my bathroom scrub mitt. I'm going to wipe down with the plush side, wipe down the whole thing, and now I'm going to grab my Norwex window cloth, and that is going to polish it to a streak-free shine. Y'all, no toxic chemicals, fast and easy. I have cleaned my entire shower from top to bottom.